Sammy, remember which part you guys are going to help with? Okay. There was a little old lady who was not afraid of anything. So one day she went for a walk in the forest to gather fruit and nuts. But it got very, very dark when she headed home, and only a little sliver of the moon was there. Suddenly she heard behind her 2 shoes that went clop, clop. "Get out of my way," said the little old lady. "I'm not afraid of you." And she turned and walked on. But behind her she could hear 2 shoes go clomp, clomp. Soon, behind her, she heard a pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. "Get out of my way, you pair of pants. I'm not afraid of you." And on she walked, but behind her she could hear 2 shoes go clomp, clomp, and a pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. A little farther on, she met a shirt, and the shirt went shake, shake. "Get out of my way. You know I'm not afraid of you." But behind her, she could hear 2 shoes go clomp, clomp, and a pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle, and a shirt go shake, shake. Well, she walked on a little farther, and she met a pair of gloves and a tall black hat. And the gloves went clap, clap, and the tall black hat went nod, nod. "Get out of my way, you pair of gloves and tall black hat. I am not afraid of you." And on she walked, but just a little bit faster. And behind her she could hear 2 shoes go clomp, clomp, and a pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle, and a shirt go shake, shake, and 2 gloves go clap, clap, and a tall hat go nod, nod. Well, pretty soon, as she walked on, she met a very big, very orange pumpkin head. And the pumpkin head went Well, this time she didn't say anything. She just walked all the way home as fast as she could. And she went inside and she locked the door. And she rocked and she rocked and she rested in her rocking chair. But pretty soon she heard, should she answer?
No.
Well, remember, she's not afraid of anything. So she went to the door and she opened it up. And she saw 2 shoes go clomp, clomp, and a pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle, and a shirt go shake, shake, and a pair of gloves go clap, clap, and a hat go
No, no.
and a big scary pumpkin head go. Well, you know I'm not afraid of you. Why are you here anyway? We've come to scare you, said the pumpkin head. Well, you can't scare me. And the pumpkin head got very sad. Didn't know what to do. And pretty soon she went over, she whispered in the pumpkin's ear. And the pumpkin kind of brightened up. And she closed the door and she went to bed. Well, when she woke up the next morning, she looked out her window. And what did she see? 2 shoes go clomp, clomp. A pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. A shirt go
Shake, shake.
A pair of gloves go
Clap, clap.
and a tall hat go
No, no.
and a big scary pumpkin head that went and scared all the crows away.
Who scared the lady, Reggie?
Very good.